Alright, one more time before I put everything back together and put the seat on, just to show you the routing of the throttle cable. The throttle cable just barely clears the air box here when I put the air box back on. And I routed the cable up away from the muffler. And I might yet put a tie strap or a zip tie or something up here. Just kind of hold it in that position. In fact, I'll do that before I put the seat back on. Alright, just want to share one small irritating detail. I mean, this is a beautiful bike. Another reason to get a different air box, like a stage 1 kit for this engine, is because to access the air filter here, you actually have to remove the 2 nuts that are here and slide this out. Otherwise, you just cannot get this open or closed. I'm trying to put it back on, and I had to already had this connected, and now I have to disconnect it and pull it out. So yeah, we're gonna get a stage 1 for this eventually. All right, so looking at the seat here on of course the seat is upside down. The seat's got 2 holes there, and then there's two tabs there. Now the 2 tabs are meant to slide under here, and the 2 holes should line up with these 2 bolts back here. So we'll pull these bolts out. Obviously they were there when I painted the bike, and we'll put the seat in place. Probably gonna need 2 hands for this. Alright, here's the moment of truth. I've got oil in the engine. I've got fresh gasoline in the engine. And we're going to give it a pull. So far in my life, these Predator engines have been pretty dependable. Hopefully this one's not any different. Alright, and the kill switch works as it should. Very good. Alright, I'll fire this up and see if it actually moves. Alright, we're going to take a little test run. And I got to tell you, here in Wisconsin right now, it's about 8 degrees outside. So we're not going for a long run, but I'll see you in a little bit. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you have one of these. Have fun.